A very good morning to class 12 students. I hope you all are well, safe and secure. Now till now in admission partner we finished revaluation account. What is the different types of journal entries regarding revaluation account, or we simply say accounting treatment regarding revaluation account. You know how to prepare revaluation account in different conditions. Now today we are practicing some of the question which normally come for 6 to 8 marks. Means it's called a combined question. You need to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Normally this type of questions come for 6 to 8 marks in board examination. Okay, the most important part is not only to solve these questions, not only prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, balance sheet, but solve it in that manner that you can save your time also. Means you need to practice this type of question in that manner so that you can save your time, because in board examination time management is most important. The thing is, when we understand these type of question, the first important part is read the question carefully, and I will tell you how you prepare different accounts in what manner. Okay, so please note down this question. We will discussing about this question. Okay, this question is from NCERT. But if you don't have NCERT or TS Grewal, okay, just note down the question. Question says, following was the balance sheet of A and B. It means A and B are two partners who were sharing profits and losses in the ratio of close to 1 as on 31st March 19. This is a balance sheet given the question. Old balance sheet. The balance sheet means is a balance sheet as on 31st/3/19. Okay. Here the capital is given of A and B 15,000 and 10,000 respectively. Sundry creditors given 32,950. Building cost is given 25,000. Plant and machinery is given 17,500. Stock is given 10,000. Debtors is given 4,850. Cash in hand is given 600. And the total of balance sheet is 57,950. They admit C into the partnership. Means C is the new partner who admitted in the partnership on the following terms. C was to bring rupees 7,500 as his capital and rupees 3,000 as goodwill for 1/4 share in the firm. For 1/4 share in the firm means his share is 1/4. The value of stock and plant and machinery were to be reduced by 5%. Means stock and plant and machinery were decreasing by 5% or depreciated by 5%. You can say that they are reduced by 5%. There are two more other adjustments are given. For this I need to run this board. Okay, the other two adjustments says that first one is a provision for doubtful debt. Transaction number 3. A provision for doubtful debt. A provision for doubtful debt is to be created on sundry debtors. For doubtful debt is to be created rupees 375. Means that out of debtor, the amount of 375 rupees is not going to receive. You need to create a provision. Means out of debtors, rupees 375 is not to be recovered. Okay, and the transaction number 4 says that building was to be appreciated by 10%. They say that building was to be appreciated by 10%. Okay, that means there is an increase in the building. The value of building is increased by 10%. Is that clear? Now, question says prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm. And balance sheet of the new firm. Sheet of the new firm. Okay. Are the questions clear? I just repeat it again. They admit C into the partnership on the following terms. C कितनी कैपिटल लेके आएगा 7,500. Okay, and 3,000 लेके आएगा for his goodwill, and his share in the firm is 1/4. ये नहीं given है क्वेश्चन में कि where he is getting 1/4. Please note down, this is an important part. This is not given in the question कि which share is one his share 1/4, and where he is getting 1/4 share. So it means whatever the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. I told you before also, when nothing is mentioned about from where C is getting, take his share, and the new ratio is not given the question. So whatever is the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. Value of stock and plant and machinery were to reduce by 5%. तो ये हमारे expense है, हमारे लॉस है, बिकॉज हमारे स्टॉक एंड प्लांट एंड मशीनरी वर रिड्यूस बाय कम हो रहे हैं 5% से. अब प्रोविजन, हमें एक प्रोविजन क्रिएट करना है. अब प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट इज टू बी क्रिएटेड टू बी 375. बिल्डिंग वाज टू बी एप्रिशिएटेड बाय 10%. बिल्डिंग हमारी बढ़ रही है, ये हमारे फादर. यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, बैलेंस शीट ऑफ द न्यू फर्म. तो हमें क्या करना है क्वेश्चन में? वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर, क्वेश्चन सेज दैट यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm. हमें 3 accounts को प्रिपेयर करना है, रिवैल्यूएशन, पार्टनर्स का, बैलेंस शीट. ना हम क्वेश्चन कैसे करेंगे? द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पर हम क्वेश्चन, आई होप यू नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. आपने क्वेश्चन नोट कर लिया? नाउ लर्न. हम इस चीज को फॉलो करेंगे इन एवरी क्वेश्चन. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन, दिस इज अ इजी क्वेश्चन, आई नो दैट. You also know that those who understand the revaluation account, this one is the easy question. But when the question slightly comes in a bigger number, whenever lots of transactions are there, lots of adjustment are there. Here only the 4 adjustments given. लेकिन अगर adjustment ज़्यादा given हो और वो technical हो, obviously tricky हो, हम उन question की भी practice करेंगे. But first you understand that how we prepare, हम करेंगे question को कैसे. तो first is you do one thing, because here in class the approach is different, because you all have the books and all these things, and we can understand the one-to-one communication, personal attention is here. But here, how you prepare question, how you solve this question. The first thing is, do one thing, prepare in 2 pages, prepare 3 accounts. Like what? You first make the format of revaluation account. It's like this, say, you know what is the format of revaluation account? Okay? And in half page, आधे पेज में आप बनाओ partners capital account. In half page you prepare partners capital account like this. Okay, how many partners there? 3 partners. So we prepare, if the 3 partners are there, the names are A, B and C. A, B and C. Similarly here particulars A, B and C. Or in next page, prepare the format of balance sheet. In next page, prepare the format of balance sheet. And in half page, in second page, in half one, prepare the format of balance sheet. Balance sheet column, liabilities amount, assets amount, and then lower portion you make working note. It's compulsory. You make working note. Now, as per the question, we will check how many working notes we need to prepare. हमें transaction को समझना है. Now, first understand the basic. When you understand the basic, you can do the transaction. You can do the question very quickly. The first is हमें सही approach को पकड़ना है. How you learn the right approach? First thing, look the question now. जहाँ पर आपने question लिखा है उस पेपर को अपने सामने रखिए, so that you can read the question and do the transaction one by one. The first thing is we need to prepare revaluation account, partners capital, balance sheet. So prepare in half page, prepare revaluation account, in half page prepare partners capital account, in next page prepare balance sheet account, and the lower portion you need to prepare working note. Okay, now if we check the question, if we see the working note part, अगर हम working note देखें तो there they say that nothing is old ratio is given. Old ratio जो है हमें given है 2:1, and then nothing information is given. No new ratio is given, and they say C is admitted for 1/4 share. लेकिन ये क्वेश्चन में given नहीं है. From where C is getting 1/4 share? As nothing is given the question. From where C is getting 1/4 share? C को ये 1/4 share कहाँ से मिल रहे हैं? It's not given the question. It means that I told you before, when we do the treatment of goodwill part, whenever is nothing is mentioned about from where C is getting, and there's no terms is given about new ratio, तो whatever with the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. Please note down the working note. In this case, the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. Now the first part is clear. Nothing other part is given as the working note. The first, read the transaction. They say that C brings 7,500 as capital and 3,000 as goodwill for 1/4 share in the firm. Means C, we write by cash. हम जो एंट्री करते हैं फर्स्ट व्हाट वी डू व्हेनेवर न्यू पार्टनर एडमिट, जब भी नया पार्टनर एडमिट होता है हम एंट्री क्या करते हैं. नाउ फॉर दिस थिंग मैं इसे थोड़ा सा रब करना पड़ेगा. नाउ व्हेनेवर न्यू पार्टनर एडमिट इज इन वर्किंग नोट, राइट इन द वर्किंग नोट आल्सो ओनली वी राइट कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू सीज कैपिटल to premium for goodwill. We write like this thing. First entry we write C's capital account debit, cash account debit. C's capital account debit to premium. Now how much C is bringing? C is bringing 7,500 is capital and 3,000 for goodwill. 7,500 is capital and 3,000 for goodwill. So we write here 10,500. ये पहले एंट्री करते थे, हमने पढ़ रखा है. Being C brings his capital and a share of goodwill in cash. Now इस premium को क्या करते हैं? If we check, what we'll do with this premium? We divide this premium to old partner's capital account. We write premium account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. This premium is to be distributed. आपको याद होगा इस premium को हम old partners में और फिर से sacrificing partners में बांट देते हैं. India's sacrificing ratio ये हमने पढ़ रखा है. तो premium is how much? 3,000. If you check now what is the sacrificing ratio? Old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. So we divide the premium 2,000 and 1,000 being share of goodwill transfer to sacrificing partners capital account. Being share of goodwill transfer to sacrificing partner capital account. Is it clear? ये समझ आ गया. तो C अपने साथ कितनी कैपिटल लेके आया? 7,500. ये कैपिटल लेके आया एंड दिस प्रीमियम, इसका प्रीमियम किसमें बढ़ गया है? वी राइट प्रीमियम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग ए एंड बी. ए को मिल रहा है 2,000. हिज कैपिटल इज क्रेडिटेड ना, चेक करो. एंड बी इज गेटिंग 1,000. तो फर्स्ट वर्किंग नोट इज क्लियर. ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. आई होप दिस पार्ट इज क्लियर. नाउ वी प्रिपेयर रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. हमने ट्रांजैक्शन 1 को पूरा कर लिया. नाउ लुक द ट्रांजैक्शन नंबर 2. Prepare revaluation account. We write particular amount. Particulars over here. We write amount. Particulars. We write amount. The credit side. This one is debit side. Okay. Now when you solve this question, understand the first part. What is the first working note? What is the first term is given the question? Understand this. We already solved the first one. C is bringing cash 7,500 and bringing 3,000 premium. That premium is divided into old partner's capital account in their sacrificing ratio. We have done it. Now next thing is they say that stock. The first one, the value of stock and plant and machinery were to be reduced by 5%. Stock की value कम हो रही है and machinery की value कम हो रही है. तो stock value is given 10,000. 5% कम हो गया. So we write to stock is reducing by 5%. 10,000 का 5%, 500. Similarly, machinery is also reducing. We write machinery account. Machinery. Now check. What is the machinery? The machinery value is given. The question is plant and machinery is 17,500 and we are 5% is reduced by 5%. So 17,500 का 5% is 875. This question is clear. It's 875. Next thing is, if you check the question, it's mentioned here. Third point, C part. A provision for doubtful debt is to be created. हमने एक provision बनाना पड़ेगा doubtful debt. वो पैसा मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है. कितना मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है? We write to provision for doubtful debt. To provision for doubtful debt. Now check what's the amount given the question. अपना question check करिए. इसमें लिखा है a provision debt is to be created 375. We write 375. Triangle number D, it mentioned that building was to be appreciated by 10%. Building 10% बढ़ रही है. We write building of building is appreciated by 10%. What is the old value of building? Building की old value कितनी है? Is 25,000. तो building is appreciated by 10%. It means 25,000 का 10% is 2,500. Is it clear? और कोई टेंशन तो नहीं है क्वेश्चन में? तो 4 ट्रांजिशन are there. We already finished all 4. Now total of this side is 2,500. Here the credit side is more as compared to debit side. We get a profit. हमारे credit side बढ़ी है तो we get a profit. 2,500 minus all those sum. 875 plus 375 plus 500. Okay, the profit is coming 750. It's coming profit. This profit is to be divided between A and B in their old ratio, and the old ratio is 2:1. So A is getting 500 and B is getting 250. A is getting 500 and B is getting 250. Is it clear? So we simply write ये profit है, इनकी capital बढ़ेगी तो we write by profit is getting from revaluation. तो we write revaluation account. जो profit कितना है? A is getting a profit of 500, B is getting a profit of 250. Like this. Okay? We make the revaluation account. Now check this next part. What is the opening balance of question given? When we prepare partners capital account, what is the opening balance given the question? Capital of A and B. We write by balance broke down. Is the opening balance is given 15,000 and 10,000. We write 15,000 and 10,000 like this. Now total of, okay, in the question there is no undistributed profit, there is no undistributed loss, there is no general reserve is given the question, there is no investment fluctuation reserve, there is no WCR. तो हमें कुछ गिवन नहीं है, हमने सिंपल बना दिया as per the question. जो हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है opening balance, how much C is bringing, how much C brings as a goodwill, that goodwill is to be distributed in A and B. Revaluation profit A को कितना मिला, B को कितना मिला. Now total of this side, तो A is capital, nothing in debit side, कोई loss नहीं है. तो इसका भी if you check 17,500 for A is 11,250 for B and 7,500 for C. So simply write over here 17,500, 11,250 and 7,500. So as the new capital of ABC is, we write 2 balance closed down, balance CD. A's capital is 17,500, B is 11,250 and C is 7,500. Now we prepare partners capital. So partners capital कितना गया? 17,500, 11,250 and 7,500. Is that clear? Next portion is we need to maintain balance sheet. हमें balance sheet बनानी है. Prepare balance sheet. Now how we prepare balance sheet? Make the proper format of balance sheet. Okay. Proper formula balance sheet we call it liability side. Amount, assets, amount, like this. Okay. Now check question. What is the first? Write the capital. जो capital हमारी आई है, we write capital account A, B and C. A's capital is 17,500. B's capital is 11,250. C's capital is 7,500. जो नई capital आई है हमने mention कर दिया. Now check in the liability side. What are the other terms are given on the liability side? There is sundry creditors. If you see the sundry creditors given, is there any change in sundry creditor? There are no change in sundry creditor. So we write sundry creditors. Now देखो पुरानी बैलेंस शीट में sundry creditor कितना given है? There is no change sundry creditor. It's 32,950. 32,950. Okay. There is no other information given regarding creditor side, regarding liability side. Okay. Now check the asset side. Now building is given. If you know building is given 25,000. कितना बिल्डिंग इंक्रीज हुआ था? चेक द क्वेश्चन. बिल्डिंग इज इंक्रीज बाय 2500. तो बिल्डिंग की वैल्यू बढ़ गई थी, इट्स इंक्रीजेस. वी राइट 2500 इंक्रीज, द न्यू वैल्यू ऑफ बिल्डिंग इज 27500. क्लियर? हमने रिवॉल्यूशन में 2500 लिखा था, द इंक्रीज इन बिल्डिंग. नेक्स्ट इज प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. Plant and machinery. Now what is the plant and machinery value is given in the question? Check how much plant and machinery is given. The plant and machinery is 17,500, but there decrease of 875 rupees is here. If you check, हमारी plant and machinery की value कम हुई थी 875, तो इसका मीन 16,625. 16,625. ओके, तो प्लांट एंड मशीनरी हमने कर दिया. नेक्स्ट इज स्टॉक. द वैल्यू ऑफ स्टॉक इज गिवन 10,000. या आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, मैं वो खाली समझाने नहीं रहा हूं. यू कैन डू डायरेक्टली, ओनली माय अप्रोच इज हियर टू अंडरस्टैंड द टर्म. स्टॉक ओल्ड वैल्यू इज 10,000. स्टॉक इज डिक्रीजेस बाय 500. द न्यू वैल्यू ऑफ स्टॉक इज 9,500 रुपीस. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, इफ यू चेक debtor, debtor is given 4850 and the provision of 375 is here. Right, debtor, the old value debtor is 4850 minus 375, क्योंकि ये provision बना है and provision is created from debtor only. Provision कहाँ से बनता है? हमें debtor से कितने पैसे लेने हैं? 4850 rupees receive करना है, but out of which 375 is irrecoverable, means अभी मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है. तो we already create provision, तो 4850 minus 375 is coming 4475. Now the important part, cash. Now what is the cash is given in the question. They say cash as per the cash in hand is given 600. Cash कितना given है? 600. Now फर्म के पास सिर्फ 600 कैश रहा. नया पार्टनर आया, वो कितनी कैपिटल लेके आया था? 7500. जब हमने पहली एंट्री की थी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू सीज कैपिटल प्रीमियम, वो कितना कैश लेके आया था? वो लेके आया था 7500 अपनी कैपिटल का और 3000 रुपीज अपनी गुडविल का. तो टोटल क्या कितना कैश लेके आया था? सी 10,500. ना उसको भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि फर्म के पास कैश बढ़ गया. फर्म के पास कैश क्यों बढ़ा? बिकॉज सी ब्रिंग्स हिज कैपिटल एंड गुडविल इन कैश. सी जो अपनी कैपिटल और गुडविल आया था किस में आया था? कैश में. नाउ टोटल इट 7500 इज कमिंग 11,100. 11,100. No other information is here. Check whether this balance sheet matching or not. If your balance sheet is matching, it means it's correct. Now add them. I will do liability side, you will do asset side. Now my liability side is coming 17,500 plus 11,250 plus 7,500 plus 3,2,950 is coming 69,200. आपका कितना है? Asset side 27,500 plus 625 9,500 plus 4,475 plus 11,100 is coming 69,200. It means our balance sheet is correct. Okay, note down please. Now this is the way how we solve the question. Now there's no need to mention all this thing here. मैंने ये इसलिए लिखा so that you can able to understand whatever changes occurs. Now this how we prepare the normally question comes. This is the normal way to solve these questions. But normally this type of question very frequently comes in board exams. So you need to prepare how we solve the question. The first thing is prepare the format of revaluation account and partners capital balance sheet and working note. इन चारों को आप पहले बना कर दिए and side by side whatever transaction comes, ठीक है, solve it. It become easier for us to solve the question. हमें बार बार अकाउंट्स को प्रिपेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आपने एक साथ इसको प्रिपेयर करिए and then try to solve it. All this is clear? Next question we will take. Now solve the question. Okay. No, good. Next, write down the next question. Now if you check the question, note down the next question. They say Shyamlal and Sanjay were in partnership business, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is given. Note down first one. The first one is sundry creditors, which is given 12,435. It's 12,435. Capital of Shyamlal is given 34,050, and the Sanjay capital is also equal to 34,050. It's 34050. Cash in hand is given the question 710. Cash at bank under asset side is given 11,925. Okay, and debtors is given rupees 5,500. Stock is given rupees 18,000. Furniture value is given rupees 4,400, and the building value is given rupees 40,000. Building is given rupees 40,000. Okay, now on 1st April 2019, Shankar, the new partner, admitted. Shankar, the new partner, admitted for 1/3 share. Shankar is admitted for 1/3 share. Shankar brings rupees 30,000 as his capital and rupees 20,000 as goodwill in cash. Stock and furniture are to be reduced by 10%. मतलब हमारे जो stock और furniture हैं दोनों कम हो रहे हैं by 10%. Building was to be appreciated by rupees 15,000. Building जो है वो बढ़ रही है 15,000 rupees से. There are 3 more transitions here. For this I need to rub the revaluation or I need to rub the balance sheet. So note down again. Cash in hand 710. Cash at bank 11,925. It means 11,925. Debtors 5,500. Stock 18,000. Furniture 4,400. Building 40,000. Sundry creditors 12,435. Capital accounts of Shamlal and Sanjay is given. Is capitals are equal. Is 34,050. 34050. Is that clear? Questions clear? Okay. So I need to rub the first thing. The old balance sheet. There are 3 more adjustments are given. So note down the other 3 adjustments. Now we are practicing different types of questions which are normally frequently comes to the board examination. So transaction number 4. Please note down. Transaction number 4 says that provision for 5% is to be made. Provision for 5%. They say provision for 5% is to be made on sundry debtor. Is to be made on sundry debtors. It means that the debtors, out of total debtors, the 5% the amount is not recoverable, or we say irrecoverable. ये मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है because you create provision of 5% that. Fifth transitions, they saying that unaccounted or say accrued income of rupees, the accrued income of rupees 2,400 is to be provided. Okay, accrued income is to of rupees 2,400 is to be provided. हमें 2,400 रुपए की accrued income given है. Okay, means this accrued income is not given the old balance sheet. देखिए हमारी income थी जिसको हम books में record करना भूल गए. जैसे income for us हमारे लिए फायदा है. Transaction number 6, they are saying that. Okay, now one more term is given in transaction number 5. Accrued income will be 2,400 is to be provided. Okay, a debtor whose dues of rupees 4,800 of dues of rupees 4,800 were written off as bad debt. Written off as bad debts. Written off as a bad debt. Okay. Bad debt. Paid 50% full settlement. Paid 50% in full settlement. Now पहले क्वेश्चन लिख लो फिर मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. Full settlement. He is paying 50% full settlement. Transaction number 6. They say the outstanding rent amounted to rupees 4,800. Outstanding rent is rupees 4,800. You are required to prepare revaluation account. Prepare a revaluation account. Prepare revaluation account. Capital accounts of partners. And balance sheet of the new firm. You require the partners and balance sheet of the new firm. Okay, now understand the question carefully and then prepare the 3 accounts separately apart from working note. हम तीनों अकाउंट बनाइए, रिवैल्यूएशन पार्टनर से बैलेंस शीट उनका फॉर्मेट बना के रख दीजिए, एंड देन हाफ पेज में वर्किंग नोट का कॉलम, वर्किंग नोट का फॉर्मेट बना दीजिए या वर्किंग नोट लिख दीजिए। हम पहले वर्किंग नोट को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज फॉर अंडरस्टैंड ट्रांजेक्शन केयरफुली। शंकर कितनी कैपिटल लेके आया? 30,000। ही बीइंग 20,000 एज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल। स्टॉक एंड फर्नीचर बोला दोनों कम हो रहे हैं 10% से, हमारे नुकसान है। बिल्डिंग बढ़ रही है ₹15,000, बिल्डिंग इज अप्रिशिएटेड बाय, बिल्डिंग जो है 15,000 से बढ़ रही है, इट मींस बेनिफिट ऑफ 15,000 फॉर अस। प्रोविजन फॉर 5% टू इमीडिएट डेटर्स, डेटर का 5% मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है, तो इज एक्सपेंस फॉर द फर्म। एक्यूड इनकम फॉर बी 2400 इज टू बी प्रोवाइडेड। एक इनकम थी 2400 की, हमें लिखना भूल गए थे, ये हमें प्रोवाइड हुई है, इज अ बेनिफिट फॉर द फर्म। एक डेटर हुज ड्यूज आर बी 1400 वर रिटर्न ऑफ एज बैड डेट। एक डेटर था जिससे हमें 1400 रुपीज मिलने चाहिए थे। अ डेटर हुज ड्यूज ऑफ रुपीज 1400 वर रिटर्न ऑफ एज बैड डेट्स। हमने कहा हमें उम्मीद नहीं है। एक डेटर था जिससे हमें 1400 रुपीज रिसीव करने चाहिए थे, हमने इसको बैड डेट मान लिया। बैड डेट मीन्स अब मिलने की उम्मीद नहीं है, बट ही पेड 50%, उसने हमें 50% पे कर दिया। ऑफकोर्स जब उसने पे किया वो कैश में क्या होगा, तो वी आर गेटिंग ए कैश रुपीज अंटिल 50% ऑफ बैड डेट। ओके, 1400 का 50% कितना होता है? 2400। आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट कितना है? 1400 है। हम इसको लिखना भूल गए तो लिखना पड़ेगा, द फर्म की लायबिलिटी बढ़ रही है। इज इट क्लियर? Is it clear now? Prepare the 3 accounts separately. The first thing we need to prepare working note and revaluation account. Then prepare partners capital account and balance sheet. तो आप पहले फॉर्मेट बना के रख दिए so that it will be easier for you. Now first thing, okay, here you know that the new partner is coming. New partner. Who's the new partner? If you see that the new partner Shankar is coming. उसके एक हाथ में क्या है? कैपिटल। दूसरे हाथ में क्या है? गुडविल। नाउ टेल मी एज पर द क्वेश्चन, शंकर कितना पैसा लेके आया? ओके, तो वी राइट द फर्स्ट एंट्री कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू शंकर कैपिटल अकाउंट टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल, टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल। नाउ check the question, how much cash Shankar is bringing? तो शंकर जो टोटल कैश 50,000 लेके आया है, we write cash 50,000, capital is 30,000 and premium for goodwill is 20,000. हम ये प्रीमियम किसमें बांटते हैं? This premium we write premium account debit. Now who's the old partner? Nothing is mentioned about it. The same question as we did previous one. They say is nothing is mentioned here कि he is getting from which one? It means the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. जब ये गिवन नहीं होता कि C को जो नया पार्टनर को उसका शेयर कहाँ से मिला है, ओके, एंड नथिंग इज मेंशन अबाउट द न्यू रेशियो ऑल्सो, उस केस में वट एवर द ओल्ड रेशियो इज द sacrificing रेशियो। तो लाइक प्रीमियम अकाउंट डेबिट, नेम ऑफ द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स आर शंकर एंड संजय, राइट? प्रीमियम अकाउंट डेबिट टू शंकर कैपिटल अकाउंट टू संजय कैपिटल अकाउंट, Shankar capital account to Sanjay capital account. Premium is 20,000. Divide the old ratio. Their old ratio is, if you check the question, their old ratio is given the question is 2:3. Is 2:3. It means Shyam will. Sorry, this is Shyam, not Shankar. Shyam will get 8,000 and Sanjay will get 12,000. Shyam को कितना मिलेगा? Their old ratio is a sacrifice ratio. Their old ratio is 2:3. So Shyam will be getting 8,000. Sanjay will be getting 12,000 rupees. I hope it's clear. Move to next part. Okay. Note down this one. Okay. Now prepare revaluation account. Revaluation account. Here I am preparing partners capital account. I hope you already draw the format. Partners capital account. So partners are, there are 3 partners. particulars, partner 1, partner 2, partner 3. Name of the first partner is, okay, is Shyam, Sanjay and Shankar. We write Shyam, Sanjay and Shankar. So here we write particulars, Shyam, Shankar, Shyam, Sanjay, Shankar is a new partner, Sanjay and Shankar. We write particular, it's debit side and this one is credit. Here prepare revaluation account, debit and credit side, particular amount, particular amount. Now first thing is, if you check now see the transaction number 1. The transaction number 1 says that stock is to be, हमने first transaction कर ली है, Shankar is bring to be 30,000 as capital and 20,000 for goodwill. So we know that Shankar is how much? We do the first transaction. Shankar is being buy cash. He bring 30,000 as his share of capital. So we write 30,000 here, and his goodwill by premium is distributed between Shyam and Sanjay in the ratio of 2:3 is 8,000 and 12,000. First transaction हमने कर ली है. The transaction, if you check the question, first transaction is Shankar is bringing cash 30,000 as his capital and 20,000 as share of goodwill. That goodwill is to be distributed between sacrificing partner. The sacrifice ratio is 2:3, which is coming 8,000 to Shyam and Sanjay 12,000. Next thing is transaction number 2. This is a stock is decreased by. Check your paper. जहाँ आपने क्वेश्चन नोट किया चेक करिए. Stock and furniture to reduce in value by 10%. तो stock कम हो रहा है. Check the value of stock is 18,000. 10% कम हो रहा है. It means stock is reduced by 1,800. नुकसान है फर्म के. That's why coming debit side. Similarly, furniture is coming. Furniture is reducing by 10%. The furniture, if you see the furniture value, the value of furniture is, if you see the furniture value is 4,400, a decrease by 10%. It means we write 440. Okay. Next, transaction number 3. Building is to be appreciated by 15,000. We write buy building is appreciated by 15,000. Building 15,000 बढ़ रही है. Now whenever you do the transaction, think you are doing for the firm. आप फर्म हो, आप एक बिजनेस हो, आप अपने बना रहे हो, अपने बिजनेस का अकाउंट बना रहे हो, तो ठीक है, your building is increased by 15,000. There's an income for the firm. The stock is depreciated by 10%, furniture depreciated by 10%. Okay, the transaction number D, we finished building. Next, D, provision is 5% is to be made on sundry debtors. Now check the question. You have to make the provision. आपको provision बनाना है. Now how much provision need to create? 5%. We write to provision for doubtful debt. To provision for doubtful debt. Now how much provision need to create? Provision for doubtful debt. The provision is to be created 5%. Okay, if you check, debtor is 5,500. The 5% of 5,500 is 275. The provision created 275. Okay. Then one more term is given. Unaccounted accrued income 2,400. Okay, it's the income for the firm by accrued income. ये firm के लिए income है. Income 2,400 rupees. Similarly, next is it. 1,400 was to be written off as a bad debts, paid 50% full settlement. एक debtors था 1,400 rupees का, उससे हमें 1,400 मिलना चाहिए था, ठीक है, but हमने मान लिया पे नहीं करेगा, it's a bad debt. He paid 50%, so we getting a cash of rupees is the income for the firm. We also write by bad debt recover account or by cash account. How much firm is getting? 50%. So 50% of 1,400 is 2,400. तो हमें 50% recover हो गया. Next is outstanding rent is 1,400. So we write outstanding rent is a liability for the firm. Outstanding rent firm को पे करना है. कितना पे करना है outstanding rent? 4,800 is mentioned in the question. तो हमने सारी ट्रांजेक्शन कर लिए. Okay. Now check the part which side is greater. Firm is getting profit or loss. Now if you check the credit side is coming 19,800. Credit side is coming 19,800. 15 plus 17 plus 2, 19,800. So we write 19,800 here. Now check the profit is to profit. 1900 minus 1800 minus 440 minus 275 minus 1400 is coming 12,485. It's coming 12,485. The profit is coming 12,485. Now divide this profit between old partners. The old partner is Shyam and Sanjay. In the old ratio is 2:3. So Shyam will be getting 4,994 and Sanjay is getting 7,491. Okay, if we check, okay, now how much? Shyam is getting 4,994 and Sanjay is getting 7,491. Is it clear? It means we write here by revaluation profit. By revaluation profit. How much Shyam is getting? Shyam is getting 4,994 and Sanjay is getting 7,491. Now one more term is here. We have to write the opening balance of the capital. So we write by balance broke down, which is given the question. Check करिए question में कितना capital given है Shyam का. तो Shyam capital is 34,050. 34050. Sanjay is 34050. Yeah, both the capital amount is given 34,050, 34,050. कोई भी undistributed profit losses नहीं है क्वेश्चन में. Okay, तो total of 34,050 plus 8,000 plus 4,994 is coming. If you check, capital Shyam is 47,044. 3441 is coming to 47,044. Now check again. 47,044. Sanjay is coming 53,541. 53,541 and is coming 30,000. We write to balance CD. The closing capital 47,044 is coming 53,541 is coming 30,000. 47,044, 53,541 and 30,000. I hope you understand how we prepare partners capital account. Is it clear? It's a simple way. Okay, now we need to make balance sheet. हमें अब क्या बनानी बैलेंस शीट बनानी है. Now try करिए बैलेंस शीट बनाने के लिए. I hope you already make the format. Prepare the balance sheet portion. Balance sheet. It's coming assets and liability sides. Okay, prepare the format of balance sheet first. आपने पहले बना रखा होगा, मैंने आपको बोला था पहले प्रिपेयर करके रखिए. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Can I rub this partners capital account? अब आपने मेरे साथ बनाया होगा partners capital account. So we can get the space to make the balance sheet so that you can able to see it properly. Okay, now first thing is, if you check, write the liability side first. Capital accounts, write capital accounts of Shyam, Sanjay and Shankar. Okay, you already made the capital account. Check what is the capital of Shankar. It's coming 47,044. It's coming 47,044. Sanjay's capital is coming 53,541. 53,541. And Shankar capital is coming 30,000. Okay, is there any liabilities here? Check first the liability side. Yes, sundry creditor is there. Is there any change in sundry creditor? Sundry creditor में कोई change है? नहीं है. Check sundry creditor में is there any change in sundry creditors? हमने sundry creditor दिखाया कोई change? No. तो write 12,435. 12,435 is given the old balance sheet. उसमें कोई change नहीं है. 12435. One more thing. Outstanding rent. जो हम पुरानी बैलेंस शीट में नहीं था अब बढ़ गया है. Outstanding rent is a liability. हमें एडजस्टमेंट में गिवन था आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज द आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट इज गिवन द क्वेश्चन. चेक क्वेश्चन को आपके पास होगा क्वेश्चन पेपर. मैंने आपको बोलता क्वेश्चन अपने पास नोट करके रखिए. चेक हाउ मच आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट इज गिवन द क्वेश्चन. द आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट इज 4800. आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट इज 4800. ओके नाउ विच मूव टू एसेट साइड. लायबिलिटी साइड सारी हो गई. चेक द एसेट साइड. सबसे पहले देखिए what is the first thing is given the question. Cash in hand. First thing is cash in hand. तो cash in hand में कितना पैसा हमारे पास है? जैसे cash in hand 710 rupees. Now क्या cash in बढ़ा? First thing is cash in hand कब बढ़ा? देखिए क्वेश्चन में चेक करिए. न्यू पार्टनर ब्रिंग्स. न्यू पार्टनर जो है वो पैसा लेके आया है. हाउ मच न्यू पार्टनर ब्रिंग्स? न्यू पार्टनर कितना लेके आया है? ओके ही ब्रिंग्स 30,000 as share of capital and 20,000 share of goodwill in cash. तो फर्म के पास 50,000 और आया. तो इट मीन द फर्म इज गेटिंग कैश और रुपीस. फर्म के पास कितना पैसा आया? 30,000 प्लस ओके प्लस फर्म के पास एक और चाहिए थे बैड डेट रिकवर हुए थे प्लस 2400 जो बैड डेट रिकवर था. आप यहाँ पर समझ लीजिए बैड डेट रिकवर. ये पैसा भी कैश में था. हमने रिवैल्यूएशन को हमने लिखा है बैड डेट रिकवर. वो भी कैश में मिला. One person whom you think is a bad debt, he pay 50% cash. उसने हमें 50% कैश में पे कर दिया था. तो फर्म इज गेटिंग हाउ मच? फर्म के पास कैश इन का ओपनिंग बैलेंस है 710. 30,000 the new partner brings his share of capital. 20,000 he brings his share of goodwill in cash. You're not able to see it. Right? 20,000 वो goodwill लेके आया था. 2400 is a bad debt recover जो हमें bad debt से मिला, debtor से मिला पैसा. कितना? 2400. He pay 50%. Okay, it means the total coming 50,000, 52,400 plus 710 is coming 53,110. Next term is given cash at bank. वो भी given हमें cash at bank. चेक करिए cash at bank कितना given है क्वेश्चन में. Cash at bank is given 11925. 11925. Perfect. One more term is given जैसे debtors. Next part is debtors. How much debtors given the question? Debtors is 5500. लेकिन debtors में कुछ था. Debtor में दिया provision we are created. हमने कितना provision बनाया था? तो we write less provision 275 माइनस करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि because we created provision हमने provision बना के रखा था. This 275 is not going to recover. तो our debtors is 5225. I think check it. Yes, it's correct. Next is stock. हमें stock given है. Now what is the value of stock is given? They say stock is rupees 18,000. Now stock में क्या depreciation आ रहा था? Yes. तो stock is 18,000. How much depreciation stock पर? 1800. So what is the value of stock now? 18,000 हमारी value थी. It depreciated by 10% stock. So yes, coming 16,200. Same way, furniture. What is the value of furniture? Check करिए asset में. Furniture की value थी हमारी 4,400. 4,400. Now furniture is increasing or decreasing? Furniture decreased by 10% again. Minus 440. 44,000 minus 440 is coming 3,960. Okay. Apart from furniture, there one more term is given. Building. Building is appreciated by. If you check, building is appreciated by 15,000. You write building. Building value is building. The old value of building is given 40,000. It is appreciated by. बढ़ रहा था building कितना रुपीस? 15,000 से बढ़ गया. It coming 55,000. building. Now check, there is another part is here. Yes, it's accrued income is also there, which he mentioned the adjustment, accrued income. Now how much accrued income is here? The accrued income is free. Accrued income 2400 rupees. ये हमारी income थी जो हमने पुरानी बैलेंस में लिखी थी, लेकिन हमने कमाई है. It also mentioned accrued income 2400 rupees. Now check your total side. Okay, check cash is coming 53110. Then accrued income is coming 2400. Cash at bank 11925. Debtors 5500 minus 275 is 5225. Stock 16200. Furniture 4400 था, 440 depreciation लगा 3960. Okay. Now there's a building is coming 55,000 and the accrued income of 2400 rupees is here. Now if you total, you will do the asset side, I will do liability side. So my liability side balance sheet is balance is coming 1,47,820. 1,47,820. Now check your asset side. If it's matching like this only, my liability side is 1,47,820, and the asset side is, if you check, okay, 16,200 plus 5225. Okay, it's coming 147,820. Is correct. 1,47,820. Now this how we make the balance sheet. I hope please note down. Okay, this how we solve the question. I know. I hope you can able to solve how we prepare revaluation account, how we prepare partners capital and balance sheet. Now in my next video we will prepare different types of questions again. So please solve these type of questions, understand them, and how I told you, prepare revaluation, partners capital and balance sheet in different pages, and first prepare working note. First find out what is sacrificing ratio, how much new partners bringing in cash, whether the goodwill is to be transferred to sacrifice ratio, whether new ratio is given or not. So these are the things. Okay, how we solve the question. I told you solving question is not is not enough, but you have to solve the question in a limited period of time. And for this you need to practice more and more question. So guys, please take care, stay safe. Okay, I will come back. We practice more questions regarding admission partner. So gradually the difficulty level will increases. To practice simple question first, understand them how we prepare revaluation, partners and balance sheet. Practice more and more question. Bye guys, take care.